In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a sales funnel on Podia. If you're looking to streamline the process of converting visitors into customers, a well-structured sales funnel can do wonders for your business. Let's dive into the steps to create one using Podia. First, you'll want to ensure you're logged into your Podia account and on the dashboard. The dashboard is your starting point, where you have access to all the tools and features Podia offers. Once you're there, the next step is to navigate to the Products section. This is where you will manage everything related to the products you offer, including setting up your sales funnel. Once in the Products section, you'll see an option to create a new product. Click on New Product to begin setting up your sales funnel. Naming your product is an important step because it defines what your customers will see. In this case, you might want to name it something like Sales Funnel to keep it straightforward and easy to identify. Now, you'll need to choose the appropriate product type. For a sales funnel, select the Download option. This choice allows you to upload files that your customers can access once they've progressed through your funnel. It's a versatile option if you're offering digital products or resources as part of your sales strategy. After selecting Download, proceed to click on Create Product. This action will officially set up your product within Podia, and you'll be one step closer to launching your sales funnel. It's crucial to have all your assets ready to upload, so if you haven't done so already, now is a good time to gather any files or resources you plan to include. The final step is to edit your sales page. This is where you can customize the look and feel of your sales funnel, making it appealing and informative for potential customers. Consider using compelling copy, engaging visuals, and clear calls to action to guide your visitors through the funnel efficiently. Once you've polished your sales page, you're ready to go live. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully set up a sales funnel on Podia. Remember, the key to an effective sales funnel is not just in its setup, but also in how you maintain and optimize it over time. Continuously test different strategies, analyze your funnel's performance, and make adjustments as needed to maximize your conversions. Thank you for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe for more tutorials on leveraging tools like Podia to grow your business. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Happy funneling!